Welcome to the Reps Anywhere channel. I'm Lauren and I'm going to take you through October's UK Avon brochure and Christmas gift edit. Offers and pricing in October's brochure are available to order online from the 1st of October until the 31st at midnight. Now, you'll find a link for the current brochure as well as all the featured products in the description below. And if you like what you see and you want to be up first to get a look at what's coming in November before the brochure is even available, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. This brochure comes with a Christmas gift edit, and as you might expect at this time of year, things are starting to feel really Christmassy, with Christmas gift sets and PJs appearing. There are even more Christmas products launching over the coming months, and they will be added to the website as soon as they arrive in stock. Now, we have a lot to cover here, so let's get started with our picks for new products in October. Introducing the first of the new products, the moment both for him and for her. This is the perfect Christmas gift with timeless ingredients. Let's start with Today, Tomorrow and Always, the moment for her. This gorgeous gift set contains eau de parfum and velvet body cream. The scent has notes of neroli flowers, magnolia and amber. It's floral yet oriental. In a blind test by Avon, more women preferred the moment for her compared to Michael Kors' Super Gorgeous. The fragrances were created by master perfumer Olivier Cresp and his son Sebastian Cresp. Olivier is behind the original Today, Tomorrow and Always fragrance family. He is also the creator of iconic fragrances for many brands including Dior, Dolce & Gabbana, Giorgio Armani, Kenzo, Marc Jacobs and Mugler, to name a few. So now for the prices, which if you ask me are a steal. For the perfume alone it's $14 and for the body lotion it's $6, but you can buy the set together for £18. Now let's move on to the moment for him. We have the eau de toilette and the hair and body wash. This scent has hints of neroli flowers, captivating lavender and warm cedarwood. It's woody and floral. The aftershave on its own costs $14 and the hair and body wash costs $4.50, but you can buy the set together for just £18. Moving on, I don't have the physical product of these to actually demo for you because they are that new, but let me tell you about Matte and Metal Eye and Lips. These products break the beauty rules with a 2-in-1 matte and metal liquid eye duo. Choose from 6 complementary shade combos and use the dual-ended blendable eye color to define your eyes however you choose. This creamy matte color with built-in primer will make your eyes pop, and the metallic sparkle will stay put all night. They're £10 each or 2 for £14. To go with the eyes, why not pair it with a matte and metal lip? These 2-in-1 liquid lip duos have a precise applicator for adding color, blending or using as a liner. Choose from 7 complementary shade combos and use the dual-ended blendable liquid lip color to create high-impact looks that your lips crave. There's so many different ways to wear these. You could try just one end, layer metal over a matte base, add sparkle lines or mix and match. It's up to you. The new matte and metal liquid lip duo costs £10 each or any 2 for £14. Moving on, I've got some nail polishes to show you. Now if you've watched our previous videos, you'll already know that I'm a huge fan of the Ultra Color 60-second Express nails. You can glam up your nails in 60 seconds with this new and improved fast drying nail color. It's the Express Mani or Pedi that will give you fresh tips in no time. You can try the 60-second switch up and change your 9 to 5 nude to a date night deep in no time. And the best news of all, they've added some new shades. Here I've got Slay My Name, a pretty pink color, and also Ice Castle, a cool blue color. This polish is a color, base and top coat all in one. Just sweep it over your nails with our exclusive Wide Express domed brush. Now, best thing of all, this brush is designed to deliver the perfect full coverage color in one effortless coat. All you have to do, wait 60 seconds, just enough time to catch up on your correspondence, and you're good to go. For one bottle, it's £4, and for any 2, it is £6. Up next, we have the Nutra Effects Radiance Micellar Gel Cleanser. This gel cleanser is specially formulated to help preserve the skin's protective layer. Your skin will be left deeply cleansed with a luminous, radiant glow. It is suitable for all skin types and formulated with vitamin C, papaya, pomegranate extract, and an exclusive triple blend of antioxidants. It's also clinically tested. To use it, simply massage it onto your face in circular motions to create a light lather. Then rinse and pat dry. This bottle costs just £3. Moving on to this fabulous trio, we have the Planet Spa Tranquility Ritual Body Wash, Face Mask and Body Butter. Up first, the face mask. Treat your mind, body and soul to a calming pamper session with Dead Sea minerals for a refreshed, healthy looking skin. This radiance boosting face mask helps to absorb oil from your skin and minimize the appearance of pores. It also leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, firm and toned. It's been clinically tested and it's suitable for all skin types, so you can use it once or twice per week. Just apply it to clean skin and avoid the eyes and mouth area. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. And the cost of this bottle is just £4. The next part of the collection is the body wash with Dead Sea minerals for refreshed, healthy looking skin. This hydrating formula creates a rich, creamy lather that maintains your skin's natural moisture, leaving it feeling refreshed, touchably soft with a velvety afterfeel. To use it, simply just work it into a lather and massage it into your skin before rinsing it off. And this bottle costs £4. The last part of the collection is the body butter with Dead Sea minerals. This ultra rich, creamy formula absorbs quickly with no greasy afterfeel, providing long-lasting 24-hour moisturization. It immediately hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling smooth and silky. To use, just smooth generously all over your skin and leave it to work its magic. This tub costs £7, but if you want to buy the entire collection, all 3 products come together for just £12. Now we're moving on to an area that many of us neglect, our feet. Here we have the Footworks Illipe Butter Moisturising and Smoothing Set. We have our overnight treatment here, a foot scrub and a foot cream. Let's talk firstly about the overnight treatment. This is powered with Illipe butter, known for its moisturising properties and perfect for a cozy, petty pamper night in. This fast absorbing formula hydrates and moisturises your skin, helping to soften hard skin and reduce callus buildup. It's formulated with Illipe butter, vitamin E, plus a blend of cocoa, mango seed and shea butter. To use it, just massage it liberally into your feet before bedtime, and for extra hydration, cover with socks after application. The next part of the collection is the Moisturising and Smoothing Scrub. This scrub is brimming with Illipe butter. It will buff away dead skin and smooth the feel of rough feet, giving your soles a more polished looking glow. Massage it into your feet, focusing on any rough, calloused areas, and then just rinse off. Now the last part of the Footworks collection is the Moisturising and Smoothing Cream. Packed with Illipe butter, this super hydrating formula provides intense 24-hour moisturisation, leaving your feet feeling silky soft. Massage it into clean, dry feet until absorbed, and just focus on any rough spots and just reapply when needed to get the best results. Now, each product costs just £2.75. Up next we have the Fireside Glow and Cashmere Touch ranges. Soak in rich, luxurious foaming bubbles with our Cashmere Touch bubble bath with scents of magnolia and vanilla. It's enriched with natural extracts, and this relaxing bubble bath is like being wrapped in a comforting blanket. Pour 1 to 2 capfuls under warm running water and watch clouds of blissful bubbles appear. This 500ml bottle is recyclable and it costs just £2.25. Next is the Cashmere Touch Hand Wash for $1.15. This liquid hand soap will keep your hands feeling cozy all winter long. Then we have the Senses Cashmere Touch Body Mist, infused with scents of magnolia and vanilla. Simply spritz it all over clean, dry skin and you're good to go. And this just costs £2.50. Moving on to another bath and body set, we have the Cozy Fireside Hug with Senses Fireside Glow Shower Gel for just $1.25. Feel cozy all winter long with our Fireside Glow Shower Gel with clove and leatherwood. This body wash is more than just a shower gel. It's like the warm glow of a roaring fire. This shower gel is enriched with natural extracts, and of course, all of this collection is recyclable. To use the shower gel, just work it into a lather and massage it into your skin before rinsing away. Next up, we have the Senses Fireside Glow Bubble Bath. This 1 litre bottle is just $2.75. This relaxing bubble bath will be like the cozy fireside hug you need on a cold winter's day. This bubble bath is infused with natural extracts and of course the scents of clove and leatherwood. Just pour 1 to 2 capfuls under warm running water, watch the bubbles appear and relax. And the last part of the collection is the body mist for just £2.50. Wrap yourself in the warming, spicy scent of our Fireside Glow Body Mist. Enriched with natural extracts, just spritz it all over clean, dry skin to get that cozy sensation. Now for a new shower cream. We have the Warming Cocoa Shower Cream for $1.75. Feel the cozy, warming effect of our shower cream with cocoa and nutmeg. Work it into a lather and massage it into your skin before rinsing away. This creamy body wash is more than just a shower gel. It is a snuggly winter warmer. Designed to create a thicker foam than ever before, it will leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized after just one use. Next up is something your kids are going to love. We have the Marvel Spider-Man range. We have hair gel for £3, cologne spritz for £3.50, and a 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash for just £2.50. It's got citrus and woody notes, and it will make bath time a breeze for your little ones with our fun toiletries that are mild and gentle, featuring your favorite friendly neighborhood hero. Moving on to homeware, we have the LED mood lamp for £8. Turn your home into a tranquil haven with this beautiful porcelain LED mood lamp. The cutout design will create a gorgeous shadow effect when switched on for a calming environment in any room of your home. You'll never want to turn it off. It is battery powered, and don't worry, batteries are included. Fancy something sweet and Christmassy? Our candy cane triple wick candle will burn for up to 22 hours, and it's only £14. So you can enjoy the aromatic scent of peppermint, cotton candy and tonka bean all through the holidays. Remember to trim your wick between uses for a cleaner and brighter burn, and always let the top layer of wax melt all the way across to avoid your candle tunneling and wasting wax. Place your candle on a flat surface and enjoy safely. Now we have the Pink Wiggle hair towel for just £8, combined with the Pink Wiggle towel wrap for £14. Treat your post-wash locks to our Pink Wiggle hair towel with super soft and absorbent microfiber for speedy drying and button fastening to keep it in place. You'll wonder how you ever coped without it. And you can pair it with the matching Pink Wiggle towel wrap for the ultimate home spa day. Dry off in style with our stylish Pink Wiggle towel wrap with super absorbent microfiber for speedy drying and Velcro fastening so no towel slips. And don't worry, we didn't forget about you guys. We also have the black towel wrap for him for £15. Towel off in style with our smart and oh so practical black towel wrap. It too has been created with microfiber for speedy drying, Velcro fastening so no towel slips, and it's got a handy pocket here. It's much more than a towel. It's the easiest towel you'll ever use. Simply wrap it around yourself after a shower or bath and it will stay in place. Okay, now the part I think a lot of you have been waiting for, the Christmas gift edit. October's brochure is accompanied by the Christmas gift edit, which has a range of Christmas gifts from perfume gift sets, home fragrance including candles, wax melts and even pajamas. There are also 3 advent calendars. A 24-day beauty advent calendar for £65 but worth £138. The showstopper is the 24-day beauty advent calendar. It has such a premium look and feel, and rather than the traditional tear open doors, each comes with its own pull-out gift box. It is bursting with 23 full-size products and 1 mini favourite for you to enjoy every day in the lead up to Santa's arrival. Up next is the 12-day beauty advent calendar for £28 but worth £60. Now included in this one is 11 full-size products and 1 mini favourite. And get ready for your first sneak peek, because here you can expect to find Eau de Parfum purse spray, Beauty Sleep hand cream, a new power serum trial size and much more. Now there's also a lovely jewellery advent calendar available featuring necklaces, pendants and matching earrings behind every door. The 25 days of jewels is only £16. And that's it for October, guys. Be sure to subscribe so you get a sneak peek of November's new products before they've even launched. We've linked all the products mentioned down in the description below. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go on and give us a like, drop us a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one, and until then, happy shopping.